welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Our project title is Secure Woman with Fake Alert and Voice Assistant. Abstract. A Secure Woman app is a mobile application that has been specifically designed to address the perishing issue of woman safety. In today's world, safety concerns for women are paramount, and this app aims to empower women to navigate the world with greater confidence and peace of mind. The app offers a comprehensive range of features and functionalities, making it powerful tool for enhancing women's safety in various aspects of their lives, including communicating, social interactions, and emergency situations. The key features of the Secure Woman app is the real-time location sharing. This feature allows users to share their previous location with trusted contacts such as family and friends. In doing so, it ensures that loved ones can keep a look their where, which can be particularly recursive, especially when women are traveling alone or in familiar places. In case of emergencies or emergency, this real-time location sharing can be lifeline. Our flowchart of our project. User first login or register their user ID if possible. Using register means name and mobile numbers are like that. Uh, then enter our emergency contact of the family members or friends like that for trustable person one. For one call for calling contact for anyone nearby you. My example, anytime you see the same local places, that person can contact and the for calling options. Then you press the panic button, emergency messages or your saved contacts store all the contacts with your location, and calling options are call the first personal local numbers of the yours. If I open the app, then checking the app to alert the emergency number. That means panic when the phone is switching over, then automatically panic button is on and so message sent to your families and friends. Then panic when the panic button press, the alert sound also rises. Thank you. In this app, we have designing the human safety or secure the women to provide save our women from others. So this is our main page of the login. This is with first of all new user sign up, just sign up, then sign up example Rosie mobile number, then email id rosie at gmail.com, password 1234. We have the password like 6 digit, otherwise did not accepted. The given password is invalid. Password be as 6 character. So I enter 6 character, then sign up. Then press sign up. Then now click the sign up. Is the last time database like error, then register successfully is going to inside of our project. You see this is the 3 options. We have also voice assistance. This is emulator, so I did not pass the voice now. Otherwise is the passing voice. Then this is contacts. Then first page of contact is then contact. This is the first our class. If you want to which emergency time, which message numbers you want to go to for message. For example, if I add this place means just go there and some edit icons also there. If you are how much amount number of amounts you want, you just added like that. Like that, it's a list view. So if you scroll down on the scroll up too far. So scroll down, scroll up. Then this is the only one number given for call. Which number you want to? If example, then call just save means this number is saved. Then when you click the SMS alert, start SMS alert means just allow the this is always our startup line. Then start SMS alert means now if you press SMS alert or press SMS alert, then start SMS. Are you hear the tone? Shake device to so yes. If a real time mobile means shake it, then it automatically go is SMS. Wait a minute for then if you panic means then click the panic button, then it's automatically go for calling for their number and send the alert message to the users. See here just now I am in trouble, share my location, unable to find location because it is emulator, so I cannot unable to find the location. Wait a minute, I show you the location, set up the location, then I if you alert means panic button, press panic button, then sorry, this is not working in this emulator, but it's definitely working in the normal device. That's all, thank you. Then log out.